All right, y'all. This is Alea, my granddaughter. She gonna show me how to do the boots on the ground. Uh-oh. Go late. Go late. This the lay edition of the boots on the ground. And I want y'all to show me how to do the boots on the ground. My granddaughter showing me with her boots on. Are those my boots?
Yeah.
Huh? I think those are mine.
No, they're too small for me.
They too small for me.
Yeah, this Mario getting
I think I can get 2 toes in them. Huh?
Virtual foot.
I gotta have some boots on to do the boots on the ground, right? Oh, there you go. Break it down. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, I think I can get that. If that's all to the dance. That's all to the dance. You going from side to side, then you breaking it down. Oh, okay. I think the boots on the ground is a little bit more steps than that. That's your edition of it?
Yes, I am on edition.
Oh, that's your edition. Okay, so that's you on beginner stage like Pawpaw. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I seen that part of it. So this is late additions to boots on the ground. I don't know about y'all, but I think I can follow that. Oh, she breaking it down again, y'all. She breaking it. You breaking something, Nick. Okay. Don't break it down too hard. All right. You gonna walk a hole in the floor with those boots. Cause you walking. You strutting. All right, y'all. Like I said, this Funny Bone. This is late editions of the boots on the ground. This is dance lesson number 1. Y'all think Funny Bone will be able to do it? I do. Like, comment, subscribe. Funny Bone out.